Want glowing, clear, radiant skin without spending a fortune? In today's video, I'm showing you a powerful DIY face pack that helps brighten, smooth, and even out your skin tone. This easy at-home facial is perfect for mature skin, dull skin, and anyone dealing with dark spots or uneven texture. This mask helps hydrate, gently exfoliate, and restore your natural glow, all in minutes.
Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in.
Beautiful babes, as I said, if your skin is looking dull, uneven, or just not giving what it's supposed to give, this right here is your glow up in a bowl. Yes, it is I, sweet angel, and I'm giving you a powerful DIY face pack that's going to help brighten your skin, smooth texture, and bring that glow all the way back. Without further ado, let's whip it up. All right, today I'm giving you a powerful DIY face pack that's going to help brighten your skin, smooth texture, and bring that glow all the way back. Let's talk about these ingredients. I'm excited. First, we have plain yogurt. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Yogurt gently exfoliates dead skin, brightens dull complexion, and smooths fine lines. Next, we'll be taking 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Now, this honey deeply hydrates, fights acne-causing bacteria, and gives you a natural glow. And then we're going to take a ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm using my white turmeric powder that I just got because you know the other one will stain more than anything, okay? This one is the white one. It's not going to stain as much and same great benefits. But the turmeric powder brightens the skin tone, reduces dark spots, and has anti-inflammatory properties that is great. I said great for mature skin. Now this one is the 4th ingredient, but it's only optional if you have oily skin. I do not have oily skin, so I will not be using fresh lemon juice. If you want to, you can take 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice helps fade dark spots, tightens the pores, and adds extra brightness. But we are going to pass on the lemon juice. Now we're just going to take our time and mix this face pack until it's nice, creamy, and smooth. Now, again, I did mention to y'all that I will have everything linked in the description box, so please don't pass up the description box. It's goodies down there that you really want to pay attention to, so be sure to do that. This mask looks so delightful, y'all. I am ready to put this on, and guess what? We are soon going to be doing that. So stick and stay till the end. You want to see the results of this beautiful, beautiful facial mask. Oh, I love the smell of this one. Its scent is amazing. I will have all the products listed in the description box for you. Let's go ahead and prepare to apply this amazing mask. Oh my goodness, look at there. It looks so creamy and wonderful. So I just thoroughly washed my face with the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, one of my favorite cleansers. I purchased it from Amazon, this particular one, but you can also get them on my Avon store as well. Amazing cleanser, y'all, especially for mature skin. It doesn't dry my skin out, but it cleanses my skin thoroughly. And now it's time to apply the facial mask. Oh, yeah. Now apply it evenly to clean skin, your face, and neck. All right, now just sit back. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and let that magic happen. All right, it's time to rinse it off, and we're going to rinse it with lukewarm water and just simply pat dry. Now with this face mask, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. And don't forget, listen, sunscreen, 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 baby. If you're going outside, use sunscreen every single time. Now check it out, beautiful babes. Your skin should feel soft, refreshed, and glowing like you just walked out of a spa. Now, stay consistent, beautiful babes, because glowing skin is a lifestyle. Did you hear me? It is a lifestyle. And listen, I got more gems I'm dropping over here, so you make sure you tell everybody where you're hanging out at and why you're looking so cute. Listen, don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, do that now. What are you waiting on? And I will see you in the next Glow Up. Bye!